Welcome to Mora FC. I want to appreciate your time being here. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. This is a simple way to do an elastic hairband for your daughter or for yourself or for your mom, whatever you want to do and give it to her. But if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click on the notification bell so anytime I post something, you'll be notified. So let's get started. I measured 3.5 inches. That's 3.5, then I folded it into 2. And the elastic is 1 inch. You measure the circumference of that person's hair and not too tightly, and you will minus 1 inch from the circumference of that person, the measurement that you got. The fabric, the longest of the fabric is 40 inches. You can, as an adult, you can make it 50 or 55 inches. So I folded it like this, then I sewed throughout the wrong side. You fold the wrong side together and you sew it throughout. After that, then you flip it everything over. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, click on the notification bell so anytime I post a video, you'll be notified that I posted a video. I folded that part inward, only that part, then I give it a press of iron. We iron it. Make sure the place that we sew is supposed to come in the middle. So that part will be stand for us as the wrong side of it. That part will be the wrong side of it. So you just have to iron it nicely. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, click on the notification bell. So now we're gonna insert our elastic in. You just have to get our pin, this one, and just put it in there. Then you start inserting it in. You make sure that the elastic fits perfectly. Don't let the fabric become bigger than an elastic. It will be different, but you want it just like to make sure that you get the accurate measurement of the elastic and the fabric together. And you start pushing it. Take your time. I'm pulling everything. So we need another extra pin to hold it down with the elastic and the fabric at the bottom of it. Then we continue pulling everything out throughout. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. So after everything has become, then you just have to remove it. Pull like this, we're going to sew on top with a zigzag stick. You can see that we have this sew. So now I'm going to put the fabric inward. See how I'm doing it? Putting it inside. That's what I said. That's why I folded one side of it. So I want to do a top stitch here. So after that, you get your buttons or your design or your bow that you did, or tied, whatever design that you have, whatever flower that you have that you want to put it on it. You attach it to the place that we joined together. Attach it to the place that we joined, so that no one will see the joining. So you can see how it looks like. So you just have to fix it. Thank you so much for being here. But if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe, like, share, tell a friend about Mora FC. Yep. Tell me what you think. This is an elastic hairband. Yep. We out of here. Thank you so much.